everyone, welcome to Wagenclub. The new Fiat 500, also known as the 500e, debuted last year as the electric-only model. It is a completely different car unlike the previous 500 and is now powered by an 87 kW electric motor paired to a 42 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. Recently, Euro NCAP crash tested the 3-door hatchback variant of the new 500. On the whole, the new 500e scored 4 stars out of 5 with a score of 76% for adult occupant protection, 80% for child occupant, 67% for vulnerable road users, and 67% for safety assist. As far as the adult occupant protection is concerned, the Euro NCAP report states that the new Fiat 500e's passenger compartment remained stable at the frontal offset test. The car has received appreciation in all key parameters involving test dummies, but scored poorly in occupant excursion, the extent to which the occupant is flung to the other side of the vehicle in case of a side crash. The car is also not equipped with a countermeasure to protect against occupant injuries in case of side impacts, the report added. Further, the Euro NCAP also considers protection of vulnerable road users as an integral component of a car's safety ratings. The new Fiat 500e's bonnet offered mixed levels of protection, while the bumpers offered good protection to the pedestrians' legs. The report says that the car's autonomous emergency braking system detects vulnerable road users like pedestrians and cyclists, as well as other vehicles. In tests of the system's response to such road users, performance was rated as good, with collisions avoided or mitigated in most of the test cases. Euro NCAP says that these safety ratings are also applicable to 4-door hatch and 2-door roadster variants of the new 500.